Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to download Bank of Hope app in your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. Let's start the video. In order to download Bank of Hope app in a mobile phone, go to the Play Store if you are Android user and go to the App Store if you are iPhone user. Here you can see the search bar. Type in Bank of Hope. Now tap the install button. While downloading or installing the app, make sure to have a stable internet connection. Bank of Hope is the largest Korean American bank. Bank of Hope allows you to check your account, do savings and money market, online banking and certificates of deposits. To know more about this app, you can see the description. You can view ratings and reviews as well. Once the app gets installed, you can open it by clicking open button. To operate this app, you need to log in your account. After signing in your account, you can easily use this app. So this is how you can quickly download Bank of Hope app in your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any queries or feedbacks, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.